To apply for an online certificate of origin for Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, please type goachamber.org into your browser. Go to e-certificate of origin. Please click on Apply Online. After the page loads, you will be able to see Login, Forgot Password, Register Exporter and Register CHA onto your screen. If you need to change the password of your registered account ID, please make use of Forgot Password. Click on Register Exporter to sign up for the online Certificate of Origin services with GCCI. Upon clicking, you will be able to see a sign up form popping up where you are supposed to enter your organization details, which are marked as mandatory and optional. After filling up the form, you will get an email notification about registration and that will be verified by GCCI later. You will be notified once your account is activated and good to use for online certificate of origin. Proceed with the login credentials after your account gets activated. Once you log in, you will be able to see the user interface. Here, you can apply for the new certificate of origin in the dashboard. But before that, you need to check your profile, the details which got entered by you at the time of filling up the registration form. Click on right corner icon that you see on your company name and go to profile. You get to see whether you are a member or a non-member. If everything looks good to you, you can go ahead and apply for new certificate of origin request, which is a simple 4-step process. Get started by clicking on CO request. After clicking on the CO request, you can see certain fields getting auto-fetched of your company, which are of course editable. Fill up the consignee details and other entries which are marked as mandatory and non-mandatory for certificate of origin form. Once you fill up the form, make sure you review the form that you have filled and click next by accepting the terms and conditions. After clicking on next, you will be taken to the second step where you will be asked to upload the supporting documents. These are mandatory for the shipment. You can also add more documents if needed. You can also apply for particular document attestation if required. Click on next after you upload the documents. You will be redirected to the step 3 where you will be getting an email notification, that is OTP. Please enter the same OTP that you have received over the email. Also make sure you're not entering any space while copying. Once the OTP gets validated, you will now be able to see step 4. This is about your payment. The payment overview for the list of documents requested by you. Click on Pay Now and you will be redirected to the payment gateway to make the payment. Select your preferred payment mode and complete the payment, or pay from wallet if you have sufficient credit balance. After the payment gets done, you will be debited from your bank account or wallet and will also be able to see the status of the given CO reference number as pending in yellow color. Kindly refresh in case you're not able to see the change. Also check the payment transaction going into the payments below the dashboard. You will be notified over the email about the CO request successfully sent. Once issued, check your certificate of origin in issued CO with a particular CO reference number and click on the blue color button and download the list of documents which are attested as requested by you and verified signed as requested by you. You can also view or download the list of GST invoice that you have applied by going into the invoices below the payment. You can also invite your CHA by asking him to get registered to the portal, that is mandatory, and search for his name by going into the CHA menu. Once you find your CHA, you can click on View and Invite button. You can have more than one CHA serving you, which gets added to active CHA list. Note that you always have an option to stop the filing on your behalf by simply going onto the Stop Service button. For more questions, please refer to the FAQs mentioned in the website. Thank you, Team Automaxis.